So today's trading was pretty okay for me. Yeah, we go through it right now. We are again pretty bullish on the daily time frame, but I wanted to see a short move because like you see, Asia session was pretty sideways move, and London session we moved up, swept. I don't know, there wasn't liquidity, but we had a pretty hard move up, and then we moved slowly down in the whole London session. And the pre-market was like for me a manipulation up. Then we opened the market, swept London highs, and then moved down again, and I wanted to catch down move. So yeah, we swept London high from yesterday. Oh no, it's today's London high. Wait, sorry. We swept London highs after the opening, and then I searched for a short entry. I didn't find the perfect entry. That was my problem today because I wanted to take the short right after we hit break of structure here, so it would be this candle here, but I didn't knew where I could make my take profit or stop loss. So my stop loss would be here. I don't know. There wasn't a Fibonacci gap or something like that in the chart, so I didn't know where I will make my stop loss or where I can make my entry from. So I waited a little bit longer, and then we had here this Fibonacci gap. We inverted with this candle, and yeah, I wanted to wait for this, that we come back into this inverse Fibonacci gap and then react, but my first trade was just from this inversion. I made my entry. I don't know why the market, wait, I will connect them so you can see. Yeah, so this was a mistake. I entered with 9 micros. I closed the trade directly. I was lucky that I made $30 in profit because, wow, I don't know how it happened. I think I wanted to make my position. I made something like that, then create limit order. I do it like this every time. And then there was a 9, and then I pressed enter by accident. But yeah, luckily I could have closed the position. But then this was my real entry here. With 3 micros I entered in the short. My first take profit, like you see, was here. I moved after we go under this level here. I moved my stop loss at break even. I got 1 micro out here, 1 micro would have been out here, and 1 micro would have been out here. And yeah, but like you see, we come only to 1 take profit, and then I got stopped out at break even with this candle here. Got stopped out at break even, and yeah, that was, I think I made about $100 with this trade. About, yeah, $100. And then I got stopped out. Then I waited, and yeah, probably it was time to close the market, but I'm a little bit addicted, like I would say. But I waited for another entry because I knew we're gonna hit this regular trading hours opening range gap full close. So I waited, and then we come back into this inverse Fibonacci gap. I waited that we have 2 bearish candles closing from the reaction from it. Then we had it. I made directly my entry here with 2 micros. Yes, with 2 micros. And yeah, I in this trade I moved my stop loss at break even if when we got here, and close 1 micro here. Yeah, by the tick, close 1 micro here, and my second micro was here, but it got stopped out at break even. Pretty stupid. I need to improve that that the 2-to-1 trade is a perfect trade. I needed to take everything out here. I would have made $400 with 100 from them. I would have made $500 with this 1 day trading day, but I only made 250, I think, or I don't know how much, but something like that. And that's pretty, yeah, it's pretty, it's not clean. I don't know. I need to improve it. I need to take full take profits, not only a partial, and then want to take, I don't know, my take profit down here, but this is enough. 2-to-1 trade. That's perfect risk to reward. 2-to-1. You need no more. Yeah, I need to improve this. Maybe next trades I will only trade with 2-to-1s and will get my whole position out of the trade. Out of the trade directly if I hit the 2-to-1. Because I would have made so much more money in the past days also with the full take profit, not with this waiting for another take profit and then break even and I don't know. Oh shit. And then I don't know. But yeah, like you see, we didn't get my full take profit today. We moved then up from here, but we also didn't get this high here. So maybe we will, I don't know what will happen. We are in the holiday season. Not holiday, at the weekend season. Monday is a also a weekend day, free day, but yeah. We will see what is the next week giving us to us, and yeah, we will improve it. Thank you guys for watching, and we see us next week.